You stay behind our cars.
The Supreme Court ruled 10 feet.
No, there's no rule like that. We say stay
Bullshit.
behind our car.
Bullshit.
Stay behind our car, dude.
Bullshit.
You want to come film me? Go ahead. Go right ahead, Steve. But you stay behind my car. You don't come up when we're doing something.
Well, they don't allow pictures to be taken of them and stuff because it's structural.
Okay, but that would be their policy, right?
Yes, that's their policy, and probably one of the supervisors may come out and tell you to stop filming their building.
Yeah, I won't do that.
Well, actually, you're being a smartass right now.
I'm just telling you, man. No, you act like
to get views. No, I don't do this to get. I don't do this to get views.
You make it a point to try to get us to come out here and talk to you, and that's fine, man.
I didn't make any of y'all come out here and talk to me.
Ever been stopped for simply walking around and recording in public? In today's shocking video, watch as police officers unlawfully detain a man for merely looking at parked cars, claiming it's suspicious behavior. The confrontation quickly escalates as the man refuses to provide ID, knowing his constitutional rights. But the officers don't back down, and things get heated. Will justice prevail, or will these cops cross the line yet again? If you care about your rights and freedom, stick around and see how this intense encounter unfolds. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more eye-opening content.
You're a little close.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I gave you 10 feet.
Behind my car.
10 feet.
Behind my car.
That's 10 feet.
Behind my car.
Don't approach me. What's your name and badge number?
We are doing... I talked to you before, Steve.
Steve?
Stop giving me
Who
that,
you keep
dude.
calling Steve?
It's you.
No, that's not me.
Mom, relax. You stay behind our cars. You can film us. I don't
Hey,
give a damn. You stay behind our cars,
The
dude.
Supreme Court ruled 10 feet.
No, there's no rule like that. We say stay
Bullshit.
behind our car.
Bullshit.
Stay behind our car, dude.
Bullshit.
You want to come film me? Go ahead. Go right ahead, Steve. But you stay behind my car. You don't come up when we're doing something. Got it? You're recording too. I got you right here, sir.
Yeah.
Thanks for your help.
Now, FOIA request that. What?
Come past our car. You stay back here, dude.
I don't have to.
Yes, you can.
No, I don't.
You want to go to jail?
For what?
For impeding in our investigation. Do you want to go to jail?
That's a physical thing.
No,
Get that
it's
right.
not.
Yes, it is.
You can't distract us while we're dealing with somebody that could
Distract
potentially
you?
be dangerous.
Don't pay attention to me. I have no weapons.
Stay back.
No.
So I'm the passenger in the vehicle, and you're asking for my license?
I'm asking for your license, yes.
And I'm the passenger in the vehicle?
Yes.
Because, I'm sorry, why again?
And she said something came up.
What'd you say?
No, so you said something came up, you said.
Yes, something came up. I need to check something. Are you refusing?
Yes, I am, because I'm not the driver, so I'm confused. How you doing, man?
Doing all right. How you doing?
Yeah. So so he got pulled over for tinted windows, right? Oh, don't scream too loud, Trey.
I have a family just like you have a family.
So he got pulled over for tinted windows.
My son, which I explained to you.
Your officer told me, she came to the passenger door and said, give me your ID. I need your ID and your license, your identification. I said, why? She said, all of a sudden something came up. What does that mean?
Okay, so I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I'm not going to tell you a story. Obviously, I wasn't here when you initially got pulled over.
Dre, you loud. Don't be too loud.
The reason why I got called to the scene is because your father. This is your father.
It's my uncle.
Your uncle. So when my partner ran your uncle's name, right? Sometimes our computer will give us a generic warrant result if a name is similar in a computer system. So when she initially ran his driver's license, she got a hit saying that he's a wanted person by the New York City Police Department. So I came over, I looked at her computer screen, verified it's not the same person. The name is very similar, but the date of birth.
What does that have to do with the passenger?
Again, I wasn't here when you initially got pulled over, but look at it from our standpoint.
Your officer is letting me know that you were wrong. You understand that you were wrong, right?
You're allowed to refuse, but I'm allowed to ask for your license.
But you know your officer explained that you were wrong. You understand that or you don't?
Well,
I'm allowed to ask for your license, and you're allowed to refuse.
You're right. Have a good day. So we're done here?
yeah, we're done. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey. What are you doing here? Nothing. I'm just walking around recording. I just want to keep 6 feet since we're not wearing masks.
Alright, but what are you doing here?
I'm just walking around recording.
You're looking into cars.
Yeah, I can record in public.
Say that again?
Yeah, I can record like.
You can record, but why are you looking into cars? Something?
Nah, just because I can. I don't want an ID if I'm. Have I committed a crime?
Yeah.
Can you stop walking towards me?
I'm detaining you. Step here to the side.
Why are you detaining me?
Do you have ID on you?
Why are you detaining
Do
me?
you have ID on you?
Why are you detaining me?
Do you have ID on you?
Can you call your sergeant, please?
No.
This is weird.
Do you have ID on you?
Hey, I can be out here and record if I want to.
Yeah, you could record.
Yeah, and I also don't have to like ID myself unless like
I'm asking you for
you're
identification.
arresting. All right, you're gonna have to ask for your sergeant.
I don't need a sergeant. I'm asking for identification.
I'm asking for your sergeant.
All right, and I'm asking you for your identification.
I'll wait until the sergeant gets here because I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not breaking any laws. Yeah, this is an illegal detainment.
Okay.
I'm just walking around looking at stuff, recording.
Yeah, you can't be looking at the people's card.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can't.
The same way you can do open air search.
Okay.
I can. That's a right that any person has.
Okay.
Yeah. So like, please get this. Call for the sergeant. What are you?
Right.
Why are you waiting? Because you're illegally detaining me.
Okay,
You need to get a supervisor out here.
Did, right?
This is what I know. This is what I know. I know for a fact. You're illegally detaining me.
Okay.
What's your name and badge number?
That's right here. Officer Muhammad 22303.
22303. The body cam's on. Great. This is weird.
Thank
You have to understand this is fucked up.
No, it's
Like
not.
looking in a car is not illegal.
Okay.
So do you know that or no?
I have reasonable suspicion to believe you're about to commit a crime.
Why? Because I'm walking around recording? It's in broad. I was right in front of you.
All right, and I'm explaining it to you.
I'm gonna
I'm explaining it to you.
look. Just walking around recording does not give you reasonable suspicion.
Okay.
That's not how that works.
That's all right.
Even if I wasn't recording before, I was on the phone. You asked me what I was doing. I was like, I'm just chilling.
Okay.
So you saw me right over there. Like you came out and already talked to me. Jeez.
How you doing today, sir?
I'm not good. This guy just came up and literally grabbed me and pulled me over here.
His position is called the station house security.
That's fine.
He's in charge of making sure nobody breaks into our parking lot over
That's
here.
fine.
Okay, so what's the problem?
Ask him, please.
He comes, glances into the yard, walks back and forth, and just stands there. Some ladies approaches me, talks about some other incident. He goes in front of the RMP, starts recording, comes to his car, start looking inside. And
Sir, are you looking inside the vehicles over here?
Yeah, I'm just recording. I'm just walking around recording, looking at the cars.
The vehicles?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to do that, sir.
I can do that.
No, you can't, because those are private vehicles.
Just because they're private vehicles, I'm on a public sidewalk.
Okay.
So you all understand that
Okay.
the eyes can't trespass, right?
Okay. So what do we want to do today, sir?
I just want to go.
So
I don't want
you're
this
free to
guy.
go. Nobody's detaining you.
So great. He just said he was detaining me.
Okay, so
because the suspected you're about to commit a crime and asked you for identification.
yeah, he's allowed to do that.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
Okay.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
That doesn't give you reasonable suspicion that I'm committing a crime. Just walking around, just walking, or about to commit a crime. I'm just walking around recording.
Okay, so hypothetically speaking, right? Let me ask you this, right? If this is not your car, right, and it's my car, let's say, for example, and I see you looking inside my car.
Looking at it.
Right. So I'm assuming you're about to do something wrong, right?
Why would you assume that
considered to
just
be a
because
crime?
just because I look at a car?
Well, I don't want you to look at my car.
That's not your decision. I can look anywhere I want.
No, but if that's my car and you're looking at, I don't want you to look in my car.
Just you can't stop me from
Because
looking
I have
in a
money
car.
In my car, and I don't want you to take it.
You can't stop me from looking in a car.
All
Looking
right, sir.
in a car is
All right,
not
sir,
a
have a
crime.
nice day. You can leave.
Looking if I'm
all
free
right.
to stay, I'm free to go.
You're free
If
to
I'm
do
free to
whatever.
stay, so what's your name?
My name is Lieutenant Angel.
Okay, you're a lieutenant. What's your name and badge number?
Francis, Shield 1006.
Because you're agreeing with him, you're nodding along. This guy's saying that I'm detained for the crime of looking in a car. Just because it's a private car, I don't have to leave, and I can record in that direction.
But you just said you want to leave.
I said I want to go. I don't want to be
go.
detained.
So go. Nobody's detaining you.
And I just said also, if I'm free to stay, then I'm free to. If I'm free to go, I'm free to stay.
All right. So you're getting confused.
I can do whatever I want. Right? Yeah. Go. Fuck out of here. What's wrong with you? I don't have to be respectful. You just detained me illegally.
This video isn't just about an unlawful detainment, it's about knowing your rights and standing firm against intimidation. Today's encounter showed how easily police can abuse their authority if you don't know the law. Would you have the courage to defend your rights like this? What would you do in this situation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, knowledge is power. If you believe in holding law enforcement accountable, like and subscribe for more educational videos. Together, we can bring awareness and protect our constitutional freedoms. Imagine filming in public, perfectly within your rights, when suddenly you're surrounded by police demanding your ID. In today's explosive video, a man peacefully recording is confronted by officers who try to shut him down, claiming he's breaking the law. But is he really? Watch as he challenges their authority, standing firm in his First Amendment rights. The tension is sky high, and the officer's reactions will leave you speechless. Will they respect his rights or cross the line into tyranny? If you believe in freedom and accountability, don't miss this one. Hit like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful stories like this.
Sir, can I help you?
No, thank you.
Okay. Well, this is our traffic stop right now, so I'm just gonna ask you to.
Thank you. She just asked me to leave.
Do you know this person?
Since you're making contact with me, could you identify your name and badge number?
I'm Officer Albie.
And your badge number, please?
I don't even know why you're here right now.
I asked you a direct question. Do you have your badge number on
And
you?
I asked you to leave because right now you're not allowed to be on our traffic stop.
Ma'am, if you're refusing to identify your badge number, it might result in a complaint with your department.
Okay, I understand that. My badge number is 639.
Thank you very much.
But I've asked you a question.
At this time, it's not consensual. Thank you.
You're on my traffic stop.
Ma'am, I'm an appropriate distance from your traffic stop. Please go back to work.
Okay, but if something were
Ma'am, go back to work. Go back to work.
Then that would fall in our department.
You're a liar. You're an idiot.
If you were to get harmed right now, how would that
You're a idiot liar. Okay. Now do your job. How you doing, man?
Just so you know, you have a right to record and everything. We just need you a little further away from the scene.
Do you remember what the Supreme Court ruled as far as the distance?
Do you remember what it was?
You don't know?
Well, anything that we deem as unsafe.
Okay, that's false. Have a good day, sir.
Okay, well, I will make sure to research that information.
Thank you, sir.
How are you today?
They don't like you to record. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they had a 5th car here as well, but that one left.
Kind of place here. You from Jeff? Okay, cool. That's cool. You record a lot of traffic stops?
What's your name and your badge number? Just answer it, man.
I don't have to, but I will because
It's your policy.
it's actually not our policy.
It's not?
No, it's not.
You don't think it's professional to identify to
I'm going
people?
to.
Okay.
Yeah, my name is Officer Love.
Love?
Yeah, my badge number is right there, 619.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Not that you needed to do that. I mean, the only level of the
Hey, man, just show some professionalism. We'll all be good, all right? Thank you.
I'm trying to have a conversation with you, man. What's your name? Well, I have to talk to you, but you don't have to talk to me, okay? Too scared? Our printer isn't working. I just forwarded it to you.
You just giving them a warning?
Huh?
You just giving them a warning?
We'll take this back. When you drive with a suspended license. But I'm not going to take him to jail for it. Just give him a ticket. That way he can go to the court.
Well, we appreciate that, man. We appreciate that. We don't need more of our people in these jails. How long has he been sitting here?
Well, the situation that we ran into is that I forgot that in my vehicle, I don't have a working printer. So we ran into a scenario where I got to find, I tried to send it to her printer's not working, so now I got to try to send it to her. So the courier can get the printer down quick, it can gone. I just don't have a working printer right now, so it's not being prolonged, I just don't have a working printer.
Okay, cool.
Looks like he's coming back with it right now, though, so we can get.
You know, in this day and age, we gotta appreciate citizens recording police in their interactions, right? Cool.
You get back on the sidewalk, please.
Is this, what is this?
This is a road. Okay. You have no business being that close to the officer while he's conducting a traffic
Gosh, it's
stop.
done. The traffic stop is done. The traffic stop is done. Shut up. Is this traffic stop over?
That police officer back in his car yet?
I'm asking you a question.
I asked you a question.
He's pulling off. Is it over? You said it's the police officer going back in his car. That doesn't have anything to do with this guy leaving and the traffic stop being over. Thank you. Have a good day. Get back to work. This guy, man. This is one of the tyrants out here. This guy. And make sure we always record the police because they don't like it at all.
What you doing out here, man?
What's up? What?
Breaking city code ordinance.
How? I'm protesting.
City code ordinance 1402.
I'm protesting. You can't make a crime out of the First Amendment. What ordinance am I breaking?
Okay, you can look at it if you would like. Do you have any identification on you?
Well, what's the ordinance? I need to know the ordinance that I'm committing first.
1402.
And what is that?
Do you have any identification on you?
What crime did I commit? This is a civil. This is civil. This is not criminal. This is civil, correct? Is it civil or is it criminal?
Listen to what he's telling you. You violated City Code Ordinance 14-2 because of the use of the bullhorn, okay? You can stand out here and talk all you want and use your sign, do whatever you want, but you can't use the bullhorn. It's in the statute right here, 14-2. So, he's asking you for an ID. Do you have one or not?
I have a question before I present any ID. Is it a criminal offense or is it a civil offense?
It's a City Code violation.
And is that civil or criminal? It's a simple question. Civil? Civil? Thank you. So it's not criminal. That means I've not committed a crime. So what is your reasonable cause sufficient for the ID then? Wait, didn't we talk on when?
No, I've never talked to you.
No, not you then. I don't know who it was.
So civilly, okay, it rules that you have to abate it, which means cease it. Okay?
Correct.
So if we have to come out here again, you're getting a $100 fine.
Okay.
And if you refuse to stop the bullhorn, you will be arrested for obstruction.
Obstruction?
Yes.
But it's protesting. You can't make...
No, ceasing, no. It'd be ceasing the orders. We respect your protest right.
Clearly not. But when the pro-choicers were out here, you didn't but give them this.
That's not true. I was not even here for that.
A bunch of y'all's chief was out here.
Listen, Lewis.
Davis, I believe.
Lewis.
How do you know my name?
Because I know you from 2 weeks ago when you were here, or 3
So
weeks
I thought we didn't talk though.
I didn't talk, but I'm paid to know people, okay? So I know who you are because we have to address complaints we receive.
So if you know who I am, then why are you asking me for my ID?
Because I don't know who you are.
Oh, he just said
I
it.
don't remember your full name. I just remember somebody's first name. That's it. Okay. We respect your ability to protest.
Clearly.
We respect your sign. We respect that. Okay. The thing is, when we get a complaint and the use of the bullhorn, and then we witnessed it, we had to do it.
The pro-choices were out here 2 weeks ago with bullhorns.
I can't address that, sir.
Oh, but you won't give them a noise ordinance when they were making a crap ton of noise, but I have to get addressed.
Well, do you understand the 14-2?
But why didn't... So this is malicious. This is malicious.
Lewis, look, Google City of Punta Gorda ordinances, look that up, and you'll see it.
It's clearly unconstitutional. And
Do you have an ID on you or not?
What's the crime I committed? What crime did I commit?
You do not have an ID on you?
I didn't say that. Don't put words in my mouth. What crime did I commit?
Are you going to provide an ID?
What crime did I commit? Answer me what crime I've committed, and I'll present an ID. If you can say at Florida statute that I have violated, which is a crime,
you have violated.
It's civil. That's civil, correct?
Lewis? Okay, so is speeding. Okay.
That's traffic is different from civil.
Lewis, they're both civil. Okay. All right, we're done. Okay. You understand that the bullhorn is not longer allowed use. Okay. If you want to fight it in the code board. Okay.
Oh, the kangaroo court, right?
It's up to you. All right. Have a good day. You confirm?
Nope, because I didn't commit any crime.
Lewis, have a good day.
Committed no crime.
Hey, talk to your buddy. He wants to talk to you.
Okay, and he can wait, and I'll address him.
Lewis, we agree with good discord. Okay.
Clearly not. I have the right to protest.
Can you just listen to me? Okay. This has nothing to do with your sign or your ability to protest.
Clearly it does, because I'm using this as an instrument of protest. True or not true?
No.
So I'm not using this to protest. I'm not using this to get my message, right?
Okay. Unless you get a permit from the city for that.
So I have to have a permit to exercise a constitutional right.
No, to use a bullhorn to disrupt other people.
Sir, is everything okay?
Yeah. Why wouldn't it be?
Well, you're walking out recording everything in these buildings and stuff. I don't think that's a good idea because it's a safety issue for them. We don't even allow pictures.
Am I breaking the law?
Well, they don't allow pictures to be taken of them and stuff because it's structural.
Okay, but that would be their policy, right?
Yes, that's their policy, and probably one of the supervisors may come out and tell you to stop filming their building.
Yeah, I won't do that.
Okay.
It's a First Amendment right, and I'm just walking around. Been walking all around the city recording stuff.
Yeah, I understand.
And you know how that is. They don't pay me to follow their policy, so I won't do it. If they want me to put me on the payroll to follow their policy, I'll be more than happy to follow their policy.
Okay.
And I'm an executive, so they've got to pay me pretty good.
Okay, I understand that.
Can I get your name and badge number?
Well, let me have your name. What is your
No,
name?
not giving that.
Well, my name's Detective Hunter.
Detective
Charlotte
Hunter.
Police. Yes, sir. And what's your name?
I'm not giving my name.
Why aren't you giving your name?
Because I have a Fourth Amendment right not to. What's your badge number?
It's 665.
665?
Yes, sir.
And you're basically telling me that I can't record here.
You can't record their buildings. No, sir.
I can't do this here?
That is their property, sir.
Is this their property right here?
No, sir. This is public, but this is their private property.
And anything I can see, I can record.
Well, sir, you can record it, but it's a safety issue for them. I know they won't take anything inside the structures. They don't like people taking pictures.
Did I go inside?
No, sir. You're not inside.
Okay. Then what's the problem?
Sir, I'm just telling you that do not go inside their property.
Did I go in their property?
No, sir, you didn't, but your camera
Then why
did.
do you tell me not to go in there?
Your camera did.
No, my camera's been right here.
Well, sir, you've been viewing the inside of the property. You walked all the way down in front of the structure there.
Yeah. I can't look there. Do I have to close my eyes when I turn my head that way?
Videoing too?
Yeah.
Okay, well, they don't like that to be done.
I don't care what they like, actually.
Okay.
Anything I can see, I can record.
Yes, sir, you can.
Yes, see? There you go. You even admit I can, but you're telling me not to.
Sir, you can't record inside their structure.
If I can see in there, I can record. If I can see in there, I can record.
Okay.
G4S.
And you do not have the authority to take a picture of me, sir. I'm telling you, you don't have the authority to take a picture of me. I'm telling you, you cannot.
I'm on public property. You're in public.
Okay, well,
you have no expectation of privacy in public.
So you can't film me, Jake.
Why not?
You can't film me.
Are you in public?
It's private, huh? You can't film me.
This is private property. You just said this is private property.
This is public here, but the
This
building
is public.
is theirs.
Building. I'm pointing to the building.
Okay, the building. If I can stand out here on public and I can see that building, I can record it.
Yeah, you can stand out here. You just can't.
And I can record.
You can't record me or my officer.
Yeah, I can record anybody I can see in public.
Yeah, you right here. You good?
Yeah, so you just told me I can't do it, but then you tell me I can if I'm in public. If I can see this building, I can record it. Now, if you want to build a wall around it so I can't see it, then I can't record it. Now, that gentleman right there, he knows. We've talked before. That guy right there, he knows perfectly well. I got another video of him. That's why he ain't coming over here saying anything. He knows. You can talk to this gentleman right here. This gentleman knows what he's talking about. I've talked to him before. He knows what he's talking about. He knows the law.
This video wasn't just about a confrontation, it was about standing up for your constitutional rights. The man knew his First Amendment rights, and he wasn't afraid to challenge unlawful demands. But what would you do in his situation? Would you know your rights, or would intimidation force you to comply? This story is a powerful reminder of the importance of knowing and protecting our freedoms. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, knowledge is power. Subscribe for more eye-opening videos that keep the truth alive and hold the powerful accountable. Imagine holding a sign that challenges authority and moments later, you're surrounded by police demanding your ID. In today's explosive video, watch as educated citizens stand their ground against law enforcement officers who try to intimidate them and violate their rights. These officers never expected to be confronted with people who knew their rights inside and out. Will they back down, or will these citizens be unlawfully detained? You won't believe the power struggle that unfolds. If you care about freedom, accountability, and justice, this is a must-watch. Hit like, comment, and subscribe to see more citizens fighting for their rights.
That's Trooper car 4871. What is it, shift change or something? Or is it because I'm here? No, actually I'm not. No, I'm not. When you've seen the amount I've been surrounded by.
I know you're recording. I know you're going to put this on YouTube so you can get your views. I totally get it, man. But honestly, nobody cares about you, okay? I'm not trying to be rude or abrasive.
Well, actually, you are. You're being a smartass right now.
I'm just telling you, man. No, you act like
to get views. No, I don't do this to get. I don't do this to get views.
I mean, you make it a point to try to get us to come out here and talk to you, and that's fine, man.
I didn't make any of y'all come out here and talk to me.
Okay, listen. Like I said, man.
I walked up and asked.
In the parking lot when somebody's trying to pull in.
I was talking to him. There's 4 other parking places you could have chose.
Well, I wanted that one. You're standing in front of it, so
well,
don't do that.
You're dismissed. Go on.
Do what now?
You're dismissed.
What does that mean?
I guess the point that I was trying to make is that I know you made numerous comments to me that every time another unit pulls up, you're always like, oh my God, they're here for me, and I'm like, no, actually they were going to come in here and get.
That's the first time I've said that. I've never said. I can go back through the videos. I have never said that to you, not once.
I've heard your videos when other units pull up. You're like, oh my God, they're all coming out here after me. Dude, nobody cares, okay? Just relax. I know who you are. I don't have any issues with you. But just a second here, you're like, is it shift change? Well, no. I mean, sometimes when there's not really a whole lot going on, we all come out here and talk for a little bit. It's got nothing to do with you.
I was asking if you shift change. That's a fucking reasonable question.
Well, that's fine. Well, I appreciate you starting the car. That's nice.
God damn, dude. I told y'all, see, all fucking tyrants, and especially the troopers.
What about the troopers?
Y'all are definitely tyrants.
What about what?
You heard me, man.
No, I didn't.
Quit walking towards me. Stop walking towards me.
Why would I stop?
You're making me walk out in the middle of the road.
You're doing that on your own.
I'm not going to back down from you, dude.
I'm not asking you to. I just asked what you said.
What is your name and badge number?
I just couldn't hear what you said.
Carlock.
What did you say?
I said troopers are the most tyrant.
What does that mean?
Look at my videos and you'll understand.
I've seen them.
Yeah, I'm sure you have.
I don't understand, but I have seen them.
I'm sure you have. It's probably the reason why you're acting like that right now.
Acting like what?
Because you know y'all all have a problem with this, and that's the reason why you're coming at me like this.
Coming at you like what? I'm just trying to talk.
Yeah, you're being a... Man, quit being a condescending asshole. Go fuck off.
Go where? What do you mean?
Go over there and talk to your boys in blue.
Are you some kind
Go
of
over there with your little dick circle jerk off.
Tell me where to go, what I'm supposed to be doing?
Oh yeah, actually I pay taxes, which pays you, so fuck off.
Do you?
Oh yeah, I do.
What taxes do you pay?
Really? What do you pay?
Where do you work at? Pay income tax?
That's none of your business.
Huh?
It's none of your business
I'm just
where I
asking,
work.
you said I pay taxes.
Yeah, I pay
Where
taxes.
you pay taxes at?
Yeah. To the fucking government like everybody else.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Guess what? I do too.
I got 2 jobs.
Okay. Me too.
This is one of them.
You pay taxes for this?
Oh yeah. YouTube takes it out on me.
Okay. So you pay tax on that.
Oh yeah.
What's the business name?
YouTube.
So you work for YouTube?
Oh yeah.
I'm pretty sure that's not true.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't.
I'm pretty sure I can show you
you get a paycheck
check
from
stubs.
YouTube.
Oh yeah. Sure do.
We'll bring them back.
I ain't got to prove shit to you.
I'm not saying you have to. You said you can.
Oh, I
Yeah,
can.
dude.
I can.
That'd be great. Bring them back.
Go over with your jerk off buddies. Go over and jerk them off, some fucking tyrant piece of shit.
What? Are you still talking to me? I can't hear you from that far away.
No, I'm talking to the camera.
Hang on. Let me come back where I can hear you. I didn't hear you. Say that again.
I said you're a tyrant piece of shit.
Okay. I just couldn't hear you.
Did you want me to sit?
I was just too far away.
Dude, get the fuck out of my face, man.
I was just too far.
Get the fuck out of my face.
About to be it. That's about
what?
To be
Because you're walking up, approaching me aggressively.
I didn't walk up to you aggressively.
Really?
I said I can't hear you.
You're live right now, just so you know.
That's fine. That's great.
Hey, would y'all get the? Would y'all come get him?
Who?
You.
Who do you think keep yelling at me?
Dude.
Tell you what.
Freedom of speech.
How about this? You're gonna lower your voice.
It's freedom of speech.
No.
Freedom of speech has a decimal
so
level.
You think you get in a cop's face and yell?
You walked up in my face.
Right?
The camera will show that
talking to me.
clearly.
I'm trying to hear you. So
you don't have to get. You don't have to get literally where I can smell your fucking breath in my face.
This will be the last thing that we talk about, okay? But what we're gonna say right now is, just because you have a camera, doesn't mean you can yell and cuss and act crazy in the middle of the street. You're not exempt from the law.
You pushed me into
Do you
the
understand?
street.
When
I
did
was on the
touch you?
sidewalk.
When did I touch you?
Walking towards me aggressively.
Do you
You got a
understand what I'm
gun.
telling
You got a taser.
Do you
I have
understand
nothing
what I'm
on
saying
me.
to you?
No,
So
I don't,
keep
because I can
yelling.
speak at any decimal I
Fine.
want.
Well, you'll find out if you keep on.
You arrest me and I'll sue the hell out of you.
For what?
For what? A rights violation.
Show you. You don't have the right to do that. That's what I'm telling you.
You don't have the right
You
to
have the
speak.
right to be here, and you have a right to film. You have a right to talk to me. You have a right to do all those things.
You go get me the penal code where it says at a certain decimal level you can arrest me. Because my lawyer will have a field day with you. And the camera even shows, them cameras that I will fucking fool you,
You need to talk
shows.
to your lawyer a little more.
Believe me, I'm well educated. I've been doing this for 2 years.
You may want to talk to your lawyer a little more clearly, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Because I'll show you where it says it. I'll show you on the citation.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Just because you can do something don't make it legal and lawful.
Actually does.
No, it don't. No, actually it don't. You're dismissed, man.
The mom come?
How you doing today? Can I take a look around in here? All right, it's pretty busy today.
Hey, what are you doing, sir?
Huh?
There you go at that again.
Come on, you already know
We're
what's
not
up.
making no YouTube. If you don't have service, sir, you have to get out. We're
Is this a
closed.
public area?
What happened?
Is this a public area?
It's closed. As of right now, it's closed.
Why is it closed?
Because we're full.
Full of what? I just want to take some video.
I'm finna call the police.
Call them, I don't care.
There we go. What happened? You can do that?
It's called freedom.
But it's closed, sir.
It's not closed.
Do you have a ticket? Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't need it.
So you can just walk in?
Yeah, it's public.
Everybody's gonna feel that.
Public section, bro. Right here.
Huh?
First Amendment. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. First Amendment. Yeah, explain to her.
Can I help you?
Oh, no, just taking a look around.
You can't record here because you don't have permission from the people that you're recording.
Oh, yeah, really?
Uh-huh.
I don't know since when I have to do that to exercise my rights.
You don't have permission. There are students in here,
This is
too.
a public building, ma'am.
There are students
What's
in
your
here, too. Soretta Ralph, I'm the director.
Oh,
I'm
cool.
happy to get communications down here. I'll ask them to come down for you.
Okay, no problem. You can do what you want to do. No problem. I come with no ill will. I don't want to bother nobody. And it seems to be like they're having an issue here. Yo, relax. I have a right to do this. Yeah, it's called the First Amendment. It's a public area.
Yeah, but
This
it's
is my
closed
building.
at this time.
Yeah, it is. Relax. I come with no ill will intent.
Where's your job?
Look, she's coming right there. She'll explain to you.
She has service. That's a sir.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize.
Hey, this area's not open to the public.
What do you
If
mean?
you don't have an appointment or business in here, you got to go.
Okay, well, this is all open to the public
No, it's
right
not.
here.
You have to go.
Okay. Why did she say that I can record in here? This is open to
You're
the public.
recording in here, and that's
Yeah,
fine.
I don't want to
But you
bother
don't have no
nobody.
business in
What's your
here.
name and badge number again?
Deputy Cavalli 03101.
Okay, yeah,
All right,
I'm
you
just.
gotta go.
So
Please,
If
I'm
you're-
asking you nicely.
If you're asking, there's a difference, man.
I'm asking you nicely.
I'm going to decline the ask.
Okay, leave.
I'll leave it when I'm done. I'm
No.
just taking the video here. I've never been here. That's all I'm doing, man.
You don't have any business here.
Yes, I do.
You have an appointment?
I don't need an appointment.
This is not open to the public.
This is, you're causing a disturbance. I'm just going to finish my videoing and I'm leaving. That's it.
No, you're going to leave now.
That's it. You just asked me. You didn't give me a lawful order, and it has to be a law to back that up.
All right. You're trespassing.
That's
On school.
you can't trespass me off of public property without committing a crime, sir.
This is not
You don't.
open
I
to
don't want to
the
go go
public.
this route. Come on.
This is not open to the public.
This is open. This is all open. These are public
You need an
employees.
appointment.
Not to video. Not to video as a
You need an
journalist.
appointment to come in.
Come on, man. You want me to give me your supervisor down here?
Yeah, I'll get one.
Okay, go get
I'll
him.
get one for you right now.
Go get
Step
him.
outside,
I'm not
I'll-
stepping
I'll-
out.
I'll meet you outside.
I'm not stepping out. I'm almost done with my video, and you're interrupting my work.
Okay.
So, come on. This is all open to the public here. I don't need an appointment to exercise my rights. I don't need to do that. I've had interaction with you before,
Okay.
and you were pretty cool.
I am.
So I come with no
Like I
ill will
said, I
intent.
asked you nicely, right?
Yeah, but you asked.
I did.
I don't have to do that, and you're
Okay, now
interfering
I'm
with my
telling
work.
Okay.
You can't. Okay. All right. So I'm almost done with my videoing. That's it. That's all I'm doing. I'm not bothering anybody. So this is it, guys. Excuse me.
Yep.
If you want, you don't have to call your supervisor, man. I'm already almost done with my videoing, and I'll be out the door.
Okay.
But when you come in all hostile like that,
I wasn't
yes,
doing
you were,
hostile.
man.
I came in and I
This-
asked
I don't-
you nicely, and I even
yeah.
said please.
I know, but I never
I
been
even
in
said
this
please.
part of the building,
Okay.
and my viewers wanted to see it. That's it.
All right, like
That's
I
all.
said,
And I'm
this-
respectfully exercising my First Amendment right in
Okay.
public property. I don't need an appointment.
Okay.
Not to do what I'm doing. Are we good?
Yeah.
All right. That's it. Just because they feel some kind of way in a certain way, that's not my issue. They're public employees. I think the officer left already. The deputy did the walk of shame, and pretty much now I'm done. Have a good day. Now, what's your name? You can't be cussing at the public. What's wrong with you? You can't be cussing at the public. I didn't do anything. No, I can. No, it's not closed. You can't be cussing at the public. You just said fuck to me. Oh, for real?
Yes, for real, sir.
Now I'm gonna file a complaint on you.
It's freedom of speech.
No, it's not. Not when you're working, though. You shouldn't treat the
And
public like that.
You just come in.
It is freedom of speech, but not when you're working for the public. Shit, don't be looking at me all up and down. You don't scare me, dude. Relax. You don't have to cuss at the public, dude. You don't have to cuss at the public.
This wasn't just about a heated argument. It was about standing up for your constitutional rights. These citizens knew the law better than the officers enforcing it, and they weren't afraid to challenge authority. But what would you do in their situation? Would you know your rights, or would you feel pressured to comply? This powerful encounter shows why it's crucial to know and defend your freedoms. Comment below on what you would have done. And remember, knowledge is power. Subscribe for more eye-opening videos that keep the truth alive and hold those in power accountable.